In front of me is VIVO iQOO Z10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Now select Alarm at the bottom left corner and click on those three dots at the top right one to select Settings in the pop-up and manage all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you're done, to create a new alarm, click on this plus icon at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour, hit repeat and tap on days of the week you wish to set up, then OK to save them. Click on this bell icon here and this way choose Add New at the top to pick any song from your smartphone and apply it by clicking on it. Tap on Spotify to log in and use music from it, or pick one of those device melodies and apply the best one for you. Now use the switcher next to vibrate to turn it off or on. Hit label to name it and OK to save its name. And select snooze to decide how many minutes it will take. When you're ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. Then tap on one of those options in the pop-up. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark to save them. To get rid of it though, all you need to do is hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!